Hello friends and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about loops in C language. So first we'll understand what are loops and then we will see why to use loops instead of the if else statements or switch statements, and then we'll see the different types of loops that are there in the C programming. Now let us understand about loops in C language. So, as the name suggests, looping means performing the same process again and again. You can execute the same code again and again by giving a condition, and the loop will be executed till the condition is false. So, with the help of loops, you can solve complex problems easily. Let's say we can repeat the same code again and again. In a case where you are repeating the code, so you can just write that code in a loop and give the condition. Now let's see why we need to use the loops. So consider a case where we need to find even numbers in the range of 1 to 20. It is not a feasible thing to write that using if else if ladder, because first you will check the number 1 is even or not, then you will write else if and check the number 2 is even or not until the 20. So you need to write 19 if else if statement and one else statement to complete this program. So instead of that, you can give a condition in the loop, and you can write the logic of the even number inside the loop. So until the condition is true, the code inside the loop will be executed, and you will get the even numbers in the range of 1 to 20. So this is the reason why in the cases like this you need to use loops instead of the control statements, like if else if statement or switch statements. Now let us discuss about the types of loops in C language. First one is do while loop, then comes while loop, and followed by for loop. So these are the three loops that we can use in C programming, and all these three loops we will discuss in further videos. There are three important things in all the loops, like for, do while, and while. The first one is the initial value of the loop. So we can say the starting value of the loop. The second is the condition, the most important thing. On the basis of the condition, the loop is executed. So if the condition is true, the code inside the loop will be executed, and if the condition is false, then the loop we will exit the loop. So condition is the important thing in the loop. Then the third one is incremental statement. So once we have declared the initial value, uh, after every iteration we need to increase or decrease the value according to the program we are working on. So this is the incremental statement. So you can see the operators. I have created the videos. I have created videos on that. So I will give that in the description as well as in the I button. So the last thing is increment statement, to increment the initial value according to your code. So these are the three important things in the loops.